Mm. Hello. Hi. Hi guys. This is Amar and I'm live right now. There is nobody listening to this live right now, but we have a doctor who's coming in a bit. Right? So he's coming in a bit. The hell is what the hell is this? Oh, okay. What the hell is this? Yeah, okay. Let's see. No. Is this fun? No, 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 no. That's stupid. Hi, Mowgli. Hi, I'm better, I'm better. How are you? We have a doctor joining today. So I'm doing a live with this doctor friend, and he'll be joining today. So I'm better. How are you? How are you, Mowgli? Is that a real name, Mowgli? This is fun. I think is this like background fun? Is this like, or is it distracting? Is it fun or is it distracting? I'm just trying to see where do I look more sexier. No, this doesn't work at all. This is no, this is stupid. Must bro, आप बताओ okay, मैं ठीक हूँ यार आप कैसे हो? How okay we got Dr. Alvin who has joined. Alvin, you need to send me a request to add to you add you to the video. So once you send me a request, I'll add you to the video. So we meet. Yeah, I met in Akshara. It's been a while, yeah. Akshara Theatre sounds like मतलब इतना टाइम हो गया कि बाहर गए हुए प्रॉपर्ली कि समझ नहीं आता कि Hi Omkar, how are you? So good to have you. Good to have you. I'm talking to Dr. Alvin. Alvin, you need to send me a request to join to add you to the video. So then I'll be able to add you. And then this is nice or this is nice. So I have these glasses, which I thought is this nicer. This is bolder, but this is not round. I like round, so I'll wear the other one. Hang on, huh? 1 second, huh? This is nice, right? So yeah, cool. So I'm waiting. Oh, okay, view and I got a bunch of questions to ask him, right? So I've recently recovered from COVID. Recovered मतलब पता नहीं. I think
हाय
I've accepted his request. Hi,
हाउ
Dr.
आर यू
Olvin. क्या हाल है?
बढ़िया बढ़िया
Good. I am better, just recovering right now. इस बस अभी पता नहीं चल रहा कि रिकवरी पूरी कब होगी. That's one of the questions I have.
recovery will take some time. Generally, there'll be some tiredness for like one
Yeah,
to 4 weeks after your
one 1 to 2 weeks, right? 1 to 2 weeks after what?
no from once you are COVID negative, right? So there'll be like post viral. There'll be some amount of tiredness will be there from 1 week to 3 weeks at least, depending from person to person.
राइट ठीक है. तो नेगेटिव मतलब यू आर जनरली, क्योंकि मैंने तो नेगेटिव टेस्ट करा लिया लेकिन बहुत लोग नेगेटिव टेस्ट नहीं करा रहे हैं. सो दे शुड अज्यूम दे आर
Uh,
नेगेटिव आफ्टर लाइक 2 weeks.
yeah, after your onset of symptoms, after 2 weeks, you'll be considered negative,
Yeah.
basically. अगर
Okay,
कोई
cool.
symptoms
Hi,
नहीं है.
Sahil. Sounds good. ठीक है. So I think the way we'll go about it. Thanks, Alvin, first of all, for your time. I know you did a
No
night
problem.
shift and you're working pretty hard. So it's although we I'm not working that hard because हमारा तो काम वाम बंद हुआ पड़ा है. But the thing is, so let's the way we'll go about it, right?
Yeah.
Let's so maybe start with a bit of your introduction in terms of what do you do. Let's say so I also do these market research work. So I generally ask people like this. So tell me a bit about yourself, like which is fine, which we know, but take me through your routine, right? Let's say
Okay.
अगर आपका रूटीन आपका जो रोज का रूटीन है आलविन वो क्या है? So tell us a bit like जो भी सुन रहे हैं 6-7 लोग. I think more people should join hopefully as they know with this is
Good.
a conversation with the doctor. So just tell people a bit about yourself and your routine. आपका routine क्या रहता है?
Okay. So basically, I did my MBBS from St. John's Medical College. That is in
हाँ
Bangalore. That has been in the top 10
हाँ
medical colleges in the country. Then post that, I
right
had done 2 years of my rural bond in Karnataka, close to Mysore, basically. And
हाँ
after that, I had done my MD in anesthesia and critical care.
okay
So,
okay
uh,
wow
so post Post that I was working in St. John's only for about 9 months. So basically, what happened is last year around the same time I was planning to go back to Delhi. Then this COVID happened, so all the plans went for toss. So then I had worked in St. John's and I worked in a place called Nimhans. So Nimhans is primarily a neuro center. And so that first wave happened when I was in Nimhans. And then after Nimhans, I'm currently working in Fortis now. Fortis, Bangalore.
You're in Fortis, Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you
So the
studied for a lot of years. So you have an MBBS. Sorry.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm saying you have an MBBS, you have an MD, and you have critical care. Like, how many years did you like? Okay, I know we need to like get to COVID also, but I get distracted. But how many years did you study? Like, when did you finish your studies?
So I had started from 2007. That is what when I started my MBBS. So MBBS is about 5.5 plus 1 year of internship, 6.5. Then I had done 2 years of bond. Then there was 3 years of MD.
Oh wow! So that's 11 years of medical studies.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's where my youth
Okay.
went.
Wow. But I'm sure, I mean, at least you're pretty useful to society now. Unlike comedians, I don't know because we are useful to society or not. At least not that much right now, I guess.
Currently, I think
So,
there's
ठीक
a
है.
lot of sadness, no? Though you are the one who's spreading happiness.
Yeah, we're trying. Although 15 दिन से तो मैंने कोई वीडियो भी नहीं बनाया, हिम्मत ही नहीं हुई मुझ में. So it's been really crazy because of COVID. Okay, cool. So शुरू करें. I think should we get to COVID now, Alvin?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. So great. So another thing is, if you talk about COVID, right? The first, so I wrote a bunch of questions. I hope I understand my handwriting now. so,
If you're
so
not
let's
understanding,
say,
pass it on to me.
yeah, I don't exactly. I should pass it on to you. Right. So अभी जैसे first मुझे question ये है जैसे so I got COVID, my wife got COVID now, and for the last 1 year we were trying to think that कि हमें COVID नहीं होगा. Now let's say because we were doing the right things, we were taking precautions, we were wearing masks, doing social distancing, sanitizing everything. So COVID से अगर बचना है, is there a short way to avoid COVID? Avoid COVID.
So, to avoid COVID, first and foremost is you're wearing mask properly. Step number one. Step number two is social distancing.
Okay.
Then third is using alcohol-based sanitizer as frequently as possible. So these are three basic steps which you have to do. And now vaccines are available. You should get vaccinated.
Right. So when you say, so is this a short way? क्योंकि अभी भी क्या हो रहा है, अभी लोगों को घर पे भी हो रहा है. घर पे लोग बैठे हैं, like भव्या has a colleague जिसके पेरेंट्स घर पे थे और उनकी मम्मी को हो गया है. So क्या घर पे कैसे हो रहा है फिर अगर जो लोग बाहर ही नहीं निकल रहे हैं? And what does it mean by wearing mask properly?
So the thing is that initially when we in the first wave of COVID, what we thought was that COVID was actually a droplet mode of transmission. So droplet mode का मतलब है कि when you are coughing or sneezing with the droplets, it's being transmitted. So if you remember at that time, even doctors were like, if you can put a cloth-based mask, that also works. But currently, what is it? We are thinking it's an airborne transmission. So airborne transmission का मतलब ये है कि it is suspended in the air. The virus particles are in the air. So you have to put a mask which covers you properly, both your nose and the mouth, and there should be proper tight seal basically. So wearing cloth mask now is not useful at all. Rule number one. So if you're wearing a cloth mask, you should put a surgical mask on top of it, and there should be there should be a tight seal around your mouth. So we do something called a blow test. Like you blow into the mask, you should not get any air on your hand basically, or you blow a candle, you should not be able to blow the candle. That is called blow test basically. So that is the most essential bit.
If there is no, so I tried that. Okay, I tried that with a cloth mask that I've been wearing for the last 1 year also. वो मैंने कोशिश किया तो cloth mask से भी वो थी अगरबत्ती वो बुझी नहीं. That means वो ठीक है ना. लेकिन cloth mask people are saying that you're also saying it's not effective.
No, but the cloth mask, the problem is that the division which you have between the air and the environment of the virus particles can go through that. That is why we are recommending that you should not use cloth mask now.
Okay, fine. So no cloth mask at all, and you should have a tight seal, right?
Yeah,
it should have a tight seal.
So I'll
ठीक है
give you an
ठीक है.
example. Like last year, when I was in this thing working in neuro center, so this time there are a lot of times in which we have to deal with a lot of emergency cases. So emergency case में the problem is that we don't have time to put on the PP and all. So we'll do a rapid antigen, and sometimes we don't even wait for rapid antigen. I do something like when I'm in anesthesia, we have to do something called intubation. So intubation is something which is like we put a tube in the patient's oral cavity, which will go to the patient's lung. So that is like highly, it's like one of the most procedures which has the most exposure. So I had done like some almost 4 procedures in which I had not put the PPE, but I had put
Right.
the mask and the face shield was on, and I had
Right.
not contracted the virus. So I mean, if you wear it properly, it's like pretty effective, I feel.
ओके ओके. और जो लोग घर पे बैठे हैं उनको क्यों हो रहा है फिर?
That possible is like maybe somebody like it could be asymptomatic carrier they would have come in contact with maybe.
Okay. 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 So most likely
Because
they
a lot
come
of
in contact with
asymptomatic people
infection.
are going around, so they can be the one who will be probably spreading the infection.
Right, right, right. Sure, sure. And like, okay, so somebody's asking. Although I think we'll take the questions as they come. Otherwise, मैं भूल जाऊँगा. So although I have questions later around vaccination also. So somebody's asking, are the vaccine effective on new variant of corona?
So the thing is that they have found that the vaccines are effective against new variant of coronavirus, but you can get mild to moderate infection. So they did a review study of all the vaccines, and what they found is that it is 100% effective against mortality and against severe complications of COVID. But
Okay,
having
100% effective.
100%, so that is what any vaccine of this thing, whatever Covaxin or Covishield or your Pfizer and whichever, so they had done a review studies of people who have got the vaccine, and what they found is 100% protection against mortality and against developing complications. But you can get
Right.
mild to mild infection is possible.
You still can get, right? For
Yeah,
example, Dr. K.K. Agarwal,
yeah,
who passed away 2-3 days back, उनको तो
yeah,
दोनों, he had taken both vaccines.
yeah, yeah.
So what is the likely? Because I saw his last video where he said
Mm-hmm.
that कि he has a progressive pneumonia.
Mm-hmm.
तो मतलब उनको क्यों हो गया? मतलब उनको जैसे कि he had both doses of vaccine, तो क्या गलत हुआ
Yeah.
होगा वहाँ पर?
तो वहां पे like the probability of you dying of COVID after this thing is extremely low. But what
Yeah.
with Dr. Agrawal I heard is that he had something called autoimmune condition. For that he was taking medication. So if you're taking medication for autoimmune, what happens is that you tend to suppress your immunity. So one probable thesis is that maybe क्या कहते हैं, the antibodies formed against the COVID may not have been adequate in his case, particular case.
Okay. Okay. Autoimmune मतलब क्या हुआ?
तो autoimmune is basically in your own body. There will be normally body में जो antibodies जो develop होते हैं that is against virus या infection होता है. तो autoimmune condition में ये होता है कि the body's antibody will affect the body's own cell basically.
Okay. Okay. So
Auto
basically आपकी
antibodies.
immunity आपको जो attack कर रही है, that's what people are
So
saying.
उस condition में we'll give drugs to suppress a person's immunity. So that is one of the theories I heard about Dr. Agrawal, that he had some autoimmune condition, and maybe that is one of the reasons.
Okay. Okay. Now that we are on immunity, somebody is saying अगरबत्ती तो directly भी नहीं बुझेगी. अगरबत्ती तो ऐसी बुझ जाती है यार, उसको तो वो तो हाथ हिलाने से बुझ जाती है. But anyway, cool. So the thing is immunity, right? So for example, I have been a runner now. Okay, now I'm touching 40 officially tomorrow. Now I have never been really sick besides one case of typhoid. I'm a marathon runner. I've been working out and all the shit. लेकिन मुझे लग रहा था कि मेरी इम्यूनिटी भी अच्छी है और इम्यूनिटी आपको बचा लेगी. तो व्हाट इज द थिंग दिस थिंग अबाउट इम्यूनिटी? देयर लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स इन द मार्केट नाउ अबाउट टॉकिंग अबाउट इम्यूनिटी. लाइक हमें इन बीमारियों से इम्यूनिटी से बच सकते हैं, नहीं बच? व्हाट इज योर जनरल आउटलुक ऑन इम्यूनिटी?
See, the immunity which we generally lay people जो बात करते हैं that I am running, that is different. So what happens in COVID is that, see, COVID is a virus which our body has never been exposed before. ठीक है?
राइट.
So when the COVID virus comes inside the human body, तो हमारे body की evolution history में they have never dealt with the virus. So the virus has a free run. It's dividing in the body like without any defense basically.
Right.
And उसके बाद they're having a lot of there are a lot of theories that it releases a lot of inflammation and all this, and that is one which is finally causing the damage. So that factor is different from your general fitness as such.
Okay. Okay, okay. So it has nothing to do with general fitness, right? Basically,
I mean,
अगर
if
आप
if
generally
you're generally fit, I mean, it's good, but there is no guarantee that okay, I am running around, so I won't contract the wrong belief.
right, right, ठीक है, ठीक है. And generally, for example, अब जैसे anybody contracts the virus now, anybody tests positive, the first thing that people ask these days is आपके symptoms क्या हैं, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
जैसे symptoms जो हैं, जैसे I did not get fever, only like in
Mm-hmm.
2 weeks I got fever one night, and
Mm-hmm.
Bhavya had fever 3 nights, then वो fever चला गया.
Mm-hmm.
तो बेसिकली फीवर्स कैसे रीड करें, सॉरी सिम्टम्स कैसे रीड करें, सिम्टम्स अगर रीड
Mm-hmm.
करने हैं कि भाई मेरे सिम्टम सीरियस हैं या मेरे सिम्टम एवं ही बकवास हैं,
Mm-hmm.
तो कैसे, हाउ डू वी रीड सिम्टम्स?
The most important symptom we should look into is breathing difficulty. So, so if you're having breathing difficulty, you have to go to hospital. If
राइट.
you're having, if you're not having breathing difficulty and if your saturation is above 94, you can still manage at home. So that is the single most, I mean, take home message. तो अगर
ओके.
आपको breathing difficulty हो रहा है and if your oxygen saturation less than 94, you cannot stay at home. You have to take hospital care. So
ओके, तो
other
दैट इज द
symptoms
मोस्ट
like very
इम्पोर्टेंट.
varied symptoms, but this is the most important point.
राइट, राइट. सो और ये जो होता है ये मोस्ट लाइकली दिस हैपेंस इन द सेकेंड वीक.
Huh, it'll take at least 1 week for the virus to build up this thing, but it'll vary from person to person. There's nothing like 2 weeks में होगा because like somebody who's elderly or somebody who's immunocompromised, probably उनमें the progression of the disease as such will be much faster as compared to
राइट.
somebody who's a young fellow.
ओके, लेकिन पता नहीं चल रहा ना, जैसे द प्रॉब्लम इज राइट नाउ ऑल्विन दैट इट्स वेरी वियर्ड, लाइक फॉर
Mm-hmm.
एग्जांपल यू, आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव रेड दैट
Mm-hmm.
टू 24-year-old ट्विंस,
Mm-hmm.
दे इन मेरठ,
Mm-hmm.
दोनों हट्टे कट्टे लड़के मतलब
Yeah.
24 साल के, दे लॉस्ट देयर लाइव्स आफ्टर टेस्टिंग नेगेटिव आफ्टर 3 days, एंड देयर इज वन 110-year-old गाय इन बैंगलोर अगेन,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
परमानंद समथिंग, ही इज सम स्पिरिचुअल फिगर, and
Mm-hmm.
he's recovered. तो मतलब
Mm-hmm.
how does, let's say somebody catches, right?
Yeah.
How do I, like for example me and Bhavya, हमारा भी तो
Mm-hmm.
ऑक्सीजन नीचे जा सकता था, हमारा नहीं गया और
Mm-hmm.
किसी का गया.
Yeah.
Is there a
Mm-hmm.
way to predict this?
Yeah, yeah. So उसमें one of the thing which I found which will help in improving your probability of coming out of the disease successfully is that your timing of hospital care. So basically, generally what happens that when your saturation is dropping, say 93, 92 and all, people tend to like take it light. मतलब they won't take a hospital care.
Okay.
So then they'll be waiting, and then suddenly it'll start dipping. So ideally, you should
Right.
come to hospital when it is like say 92, 93 this time. So that is the best chance of making it basically.
Okay.
And
Okay.
regarding predicting if you need hospital care or if you require oxygen later, something called as a 6-minute walk test is there.
Hmm.
So what you can do that if you are less than 60 years, you can walk for 6 minutes,
Hmm.
and then like first you check your saturation, then you walk for 6 minutes, and after 6 minutes you again check your saturation.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if the drop is like more than like 3 units, like it's going below 90 and all, so you have a chance that you might require oxygen later.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and if you're beyond 60 years, you have to walk only for 3 minutes. So this is
Okay.
one of
Okay.
this is basically putting the body under stress to see whether how the body is dealing with it.
राइट, राइट. एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड ऑफ क्वारंटीन, अगर घर पे जैसे क्वारंटीन कर रहे हैं हम लोग, तो
Yeah.
उसमें इज देयर, सो अगर 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 ऑक्सीजन नहीं गिर रहा है मतलब हम ठीक हो रहे हैं, इज दैट राइट वे टू पुट इट?
So the thing is that you have to like be observant for at least for 2 weeks. So 2 weeks, after 2 weeks is you're more or less out of the danger. So it's 2 weeks में the problem is something हल्का सा technical है. Basically what happens that hello, yeah. So cytokine storm happened. So that is a problem. That is the one like when we hear suddenly people are developing all these complications and all. So cytokine storm क्या होता है कि like the virus is building up and it builds a it's like cytokine is a inflammatory marker. So it causes sudden inflammation in the body. So that is the reason which causes all these like all this lung damage and all. So that is one of the reasons for all this high mortality cytokine storm. So so there are these blood tests in which like you would have done CRP or done D-dimer or done. So these are some of the tests which you do if you are symptomatic to know whether you can have cytokine storm or not.
Right, right, right. For
So
example,
that
those
is the
20.
reason you are put on steroid also because steroids will bring down inflammation in the body.
Okay, and what exactly are steroids? Like, for example, steroid क्या होते हैं? और steroid और जैसे all these medicines like remdesivir और Fabiflu, are these steroids? ये steroids हैं?
No, steroids are like your dexamethasone, methylprednisolone and all. So these are
Okay.
steroids actually. So steroids का main role क्या है body में? They'll try to bring down the inflammation in the body.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So that is why you should not take steroids unless you have like breathing difficulty or you have severe symptoms. You should not take steroids. Like you are asymptomatic. That's why I told you there's no point taking steroids for you and all. Like you didn't have much symptoms. If there's no breathing difficulty, there's no role for steroids basically.
Okay. So there's जहाँ पे breathing difficulty वहीं पे steroids का use है ना?
हाँ, if the patient is alka sick है, then only you
हाँ.
have there's a role for steroid basically. So
Right.
basically treatment में like only as of now what is like evidence proven medicine के हिसाब से only your steroid and proning are the two techniques which have been found to be effective against coronavirus, against COVID disease basically.
Proning and steroids.
हाँ, proning and steroid are the one which have been found to be medically proven, evidence proven. So
बाकी
recently they have
plasma
told
तो
me,
reject हो गया.
plasma has been recently rejected also. So plasma till now it was inconclusive, but now they have told it's like they don't find it's effective also.
So plasma क्योंकि एक साल से यही चल रहा है. Everybody is looking for plasma and people said कि plasma से लोग ठीक भी हो रहे हैं.
Yeah, that is called anecdotal evidence. No, मतलब कि somebody feels that okay it works, then you do a trial. Yeah, then like ultimately we have to take a decision based on the evidence. That is evidence. That is basically called evidence-based medicine. अगर Dr. A feels that it's working and Dr. B feels that it's not working, then you do a study involving 100 patients. Then you see कि कितने patient में it worked and कितने patient में it did not work. So that's when they found कि plasma therapy is not very useful.
और ये जो एनेक्डोटल बेस्ड एविडेंस है तो ये तो इसकी सारी एनेक्डोट्स वो एक साल पुरानी है ना. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से फॉर कैंसर फॉर दैट मैटर लाइक जस्ट टू
Yeah.
कंपेयर देयर इज लाइक 50 years of anecdotes but
That's
for
what.
COVID
Yeah,
for
COVID में
COVID has-
daily it's like daily there are new guidelines, new
yeah
this thing available.
Yeah, because it's bizarre, right? Because for example, it's shocking for the entire society, right? Like that's like 20, like those two kids died, right? Like I'm calling them kids now because they were 16 years old, younger to me, 15, 16, and they were like 24, and like उनकी सारी जिंदगी उनकी आगे थी. Like what could they have done differently? कि वो बच जाते यार. What could they have done differently?
I mean, it's difficult to comment. Like I don't know exactly what happened. No, so it's very difficult to comment because
Because
the
because
thing.
they tested as per the news clip they had tested negative on 10th. हॉस्पिटल
Okay.
में थे वो. They tested negative on 10th. So basically 26th April they contracted COVID. For a week their parents treated them at home. Then 10th को they tested negative. 10th May को they tested negative. And 13th को one died. Then the other also died within hours of the other guy.
Yeah,
So
he
this
got the
was-
phone call and next week he died.
Yes.
So what we are seeing is that somebody who is getting tested negative tend to have poorer prognosis as somebody who's getting tested positive RT-PCR. So if you're getting tested negative and then say your CT findings are suggestive of COVID, they tend to have a poorer prognosis as compared to the somebody who has been tested positive.
right. So that means जब वो negative आया था उनका तो वो गलत था.
It could be because the newer variant as such, these variant is getting tested negative in like in the COVID RT-PCR test. So what we
Right.
recommend is that if you are getting tested negative in RT-PCR, but you are
Right.
having symptoms suggestive of COVID, then
Right.
there is indication to get your CT, HRCT to be done.
Okay, cool. And जैसे ये जो वेरिएंट है, फॉर एग्जांपल वेरिएंट जो चेंज हुआ है लास्ट ईयर, फॉर एग्जांपल लास्ट ईयर नोबडी हर्ड ऑफ रेमडेसिविर, फैबी फ्लू, और जो भी इस साल emergency चल रही है, people are asking across social media, ये सब last year नहीं था. So what exactly is the change of the variant, and like why are so many people dying this year? They were not dying like this last year.
No, if you see, basically what is happening is that as compared to the last year, the mortality rate in pure numbers is lower. But this is more infective virus as compared to the previous wave which we had. So the
Yeah.
number of people getting infected is much higher. And we are not even sure the data which we are getting is like how reliable that is, because say in the cities and all we still know कि क्या हो रहा है. But in the suburbs या rural areas में we are not exactly जैसे कोई village में there's some people 10 people dying, nobody knows why they died, because वहाँ पे इतना healthcare facility available नहीं है for them to even go to a hospital or get to tested. So the actual numbers, so a lot of studies are telling that we are underestimating by at least some 2 to 3 times minimum what the numbers are such. That's a different
Right.
discussion, but the
But
numbers are much
how come the
bigger.
so the virus mutates biomedically? अगर देखो तो virus mutate करता है, मतलब mutate मतलब क्या
So
होता है कि
basically,
is
virus
more harmful?
every time the virus divides, there will be small changes in its genetic makeup. So the more it divides, there'll be those genetic those changes will become more significant. Basically, that is what the basic funda is.
जैसे मतलब because this year it seems to be affecting the lungs, oxygen नीचे जा रहा है. Last year नहीं हो रहा था ये सब कुछ. That means every time it divides, it becomes divide and it divides by itself.
No. So the virus will be dividing, right? It will be dividing by itself. So whenever it divides, there will be some amount of changes which will be happening in the viral makeup. That is how it works. The virus का जो nature है, that is how it works. So those there is no rule that after division it will become much more dangerous or will become less dangerous. There's nothing like that. So the virus will keep on accumulating these mutations, and that is how it goes.
Okay, so we can't say, but in this case we can clearly say since last year it has become more dangerous by division, right?
Yeah.
This year clearly by evidence we can say कि काफी dangerous हो गया. अच्छा, cool. So during the period of quarantine, one you said was the 6-minute walk. उसके बाद check कर लो कि आपका oxygen level नीचे जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा. Any other things that should be taken care of during quarantine? Like जो घर पे लोग quarantine कर रहे हैं, so that I mean any other tips for them, any other instructions for them?
So I mean, you should eat healthy, avoid fried items, like try to eat a very nutritious diet. उसके बाद it'll be advisable to keep yourself active at least like 10-15 minutes, like go for a moderate walk or something around I mean जहाँ पे भी हो, just keep yourself active, stay positive. I mean, a lot of people, what they do is like and there's no point getting stressed out of it, because whatever happens, I mean, most of the disease as such is mild to moderate form. So if you are at home and as long as you are like following whatever doctor says, nothing to get worried as such.
Okay, cool. And do some exercises and stay physically active. Right.
Stay physically active and like stay positive.
ठीक है. Okay, cool. Let's talk about vaccination now. Vaccination. Okay. मैं एक question add कर रहा हूँ. So cool. So vaccination. Now vaccination has started. 45 years old का हो गया है और हमारा 18+ का हो रहा है. मेरा तो नहीं हुआ अभी तक. Have you got vaccinated yourself?
Yeah, I have got vaccinated.
You got both. One done.
Healthcare workers actually they started much earlier. So that was I think I got March end तक हो गया था मेरा.
Both of them.
So I had taken Covishield.
Right.
Yeah.
You're taking Covishield. Cool, ठीक है. And vaccine is effective, right? So talk about vaccine overall. अगर vaccine, so how effective is the vaccine? What are the things that people have doubts about कि vaccine side effects करती है? Are they harmful? Are they not harmful? How safe is it?
Okay, so basically, vaccine basic principle I told you that what is happening is that कि जो COVID virus है, we are never exposed to COVID virus, so our body doesn't know how to deal with it. तो vaccine का basic funda ये है कि it will either put dead virus inside your body, or they will put a part of virus which is not infective inside your body. तो basically I had taken Covishield. तो Covishield में क्या हो रहा है? It puts something called mRNA inside your body, So mRNA is a messenger RNA. So it goes inside your body and it produces a part of virus like spike proteins. If you see in the coronavirus, में जो spike proteins होता है, that is what it produces. So spike protein is a non-infective part of the virus. तो उसके बाद क्या होता है कि जो body will try to identify that spike protein and will try to mount an attack against it. It will develop antibody against it. So then that is the first dose, and we give one more dose after that. So after 2 doses, 2 weeks after your second dose, you will have significant antibodies in your system basically to fight any COVID infection.
Oh, okay. So is it like 100? So significant means what? So what does that mean?
So basically, we always look at the antibodies after your second dose. So a lot of people have this perception कि एक dose हो गया, now I'm fully protected. They throw the mask and start running around. So that is not how it works. So basically, for the body to develop significant antibodies, if any COVID infection happens, you will be protected at least 2 weeks after your second dose. So that is the time the body takes to develop the antibodies in significant quantities for it to mount an attack against the COVID infection or any infection for that matter.
And antibodies, what is the, for example, we got COVID and we recovered now, right? So we have antibodies now. Like I have antibodies to fight COVID.
Yeah, you have antibodies.
Which means what? So which means मुझे दोबारा COVID होने के chances कम है.
तो basically जो antibodies है आपके body में, that will be effective for at least 1.5 months.
1.5 months. And that is the reason you mentioned कि 6 weeks के बाद आप vaccine
6 weeks के बाद you should take the sick. And this COVID antibodies also is like जो previous way में what we found is that there is no correlation between you developing antibodies and your symptoms. So like even if you got COVID, there is no guarantee that you will have antibodies. Okay. In case say you have mild symptoms and all, so you may not develop only antibodies.
Oh, but that is not the case in case of vaccine. Vaccine में definitely you will have antibodies.
Yeah. So I'll take one doubt by Sahil Anand. Okay. So Sahil is telling mRNA is Pfizer and Moderna and Covishield is viral vector. So basically both Covishield, Pfizer and Moderna all are viral vectors only. So उसमें क्या है कि इसमें all of them they include this mRNA and this is a new technology basically viral vector technology. So उसमें basically what is happening is that they will include a mRNA inside the body and body में it goes inside the body cell and there's something called transcription which happens and develops the proteins for virus. So this is a new technology. The Covaxin है, the Covaxin is based on the old technology where you introduce dead virus inside the human body. So both Pfizer, Moderna and Covishield, they are all viral vector technology basically.
Right. So in India के perspective से सोचा जाए तो Covishield that way is better than Covaxin.
So there is no study which has compared Covishield versus Covaxin. So we cannot tell which is better or which is worse. So that is like a controversial question ki matlab because we have not done a study which has compared say somebody who has received Covishield versus somebody who has received Covaxin. So I cannot answer that question ki matlab which.
But viral vector के perspective से viral vector के perspective से you said.
So viral vector is just a new technique for the body to develop antibodies. So Covaxin में क्या हो रहा है कि they are introducing dead virus inside the body. So body will identify the dead virus, but these viruses cannot infect you basically.
Right.
And Covishield में क्या हो रहा है कि we are introducing a new technique in which we are able to produce a virus particle which is not infective. So that is a basic. I mean, if you get too in depth, it'll get confusing. So that is a.
मैं already मेरा दिमाग घूमना शुरू already yesterday, I was watching this podcast, the Joey Rogan podcast, Elon Musk.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's amazing. Like I watched the other one where there was Naval Ravikant, so that's another entrepreneur. And so basically, at one point, Elon Musk says something like he's running this company called Neuralink. So Neuralink is basically it is again a medical. I don't know what level.
He's trying to put some chip inside the brain and all.
Yeah, exactly. So at some point, Elon Musk says, and that happens at multiple points during the discussion where Elon Musk says that at some point after you die, your biological body dies, you would be able to upload yourself into a new unit.
Mm-hmm.
That's what he says, okay? And Joe Rogan says after a few second long pause, he says, pass that whiskey, please.
That is why I don't want to get
Literally,
too in depth.
exactly. He says, pass
So,
that whiskey, please. This is getting
so,
ridiculous.
so यहाँ पे this Sahil has one more doubt. I thought mRNA had storage problem and viral vector has virus DNA. So this is one common misconception that viral vector technology, it doesn't have virus DNA basically. It has that mRNA, so that cannot infect you basically. But the techniques are different. So that is why the both your Moderna and this one Pfizer, the storage is much lower there, like almost -70s में जा रहा है वहाँ पे. यहाँ पे they found Covishield is 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. So we are not injecting the virus DNA. We are injecting something called mRNA. So mRNA through process inside the human body will make a part of virus, which is again you cannot infect anybody with that part of virus.
No, so
Echo.
largely, sorry, what?
I'm getting a lot of echo.
You're getting echo.
Yeah,
Your echo, my echo. Like, what's echoing?
my echo.
Oh, your echo. So I don't know. There's something in. But can you
Okay.
hear yourself properly? Can you hear
Yeah,
yourself and me
yeah,
properly?
yeah.
ओके कूल बट लार्जली अगर हम ये देखने की कोशिश करें कि ये बीमारी जो है हमारी जान को पड़ गई है ये खत्म कब
Hmm.
होगी तो क्या कह सकते हैं मतलब जब सब वैक्सीनेट हो जाएंगे देयर इज अ हाई पॉसिबिलिटी दैट कोविड विल गो अवे लाइक पीपल विल नॉट फॉर एग्जांपल इन
Yeah.
यूएस एंड
Hmm.
न्यूजीलैंड इन सम कंट्रीज दे हैव सेड कि मास्क के बिना बाहर आ सकते हो
Exactly, huh? So, like, once at least a 60 to 65% of population is say vaccinated, then the chance of coming down, I mean, the virus, one more wave coming is very, like, chances comes down drastically. That's called something called herd immunity. Like, once the majority of the population is, like, has antibodies, then the chance of virus transmitting is comes down lower.
Right. So, I mean, but that's going to take a time because there's a lot of lag in the vaccination
यहाँ
right
पे
now.
बैंगलोर में they have stopped vaccinating 18 to 44 age group. So
हाँ क्योंकि
vaccine
उनको बोल
supply
रहे
is
होंगे
an issue right
हाँ उनको बोल रहे होंगे साल के बाद आना
now. अगले जन्म में
साल के
next
बाद
dose.
अगले जन्म में करा लो नेक्स्ट डोज so वही ना it's kind of weird right now it's sad and but I mean so cool fine and so vaccination we discussed and all right I guess I'm almost done with my questions in terms of anything else uh, in terms of what people should do like people are doing wrong right now like you might have observed certain things that okay we lost him guys don't leave right now I think we lost him for a second he'll have to come back I think we left we have a few more questions so I think he'll come back so just give us a requested yes go live.
Yeah,
Hi. Yeah, sorry, we lost you.
yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So, basically, so what are people doing wrong? Anything that you've seen overall कि लोग गलत कर रहे हैं कि and you're like क्या बकवास लगा रखा है? Anything like that?
So first is like whenever I go to market and all, like nobody's following code appropriate behavior.
Which means?
Most important thing I told you, कि, wearing mask the right way is the most important thing. Like तो इंडिया में the way they wear the mask only is like अपनी दाढ़ी को बचाने के लिए, it's like दाढ़ी is the main target against COVID. So
Right.
wearing a mask covering your nose and mouth properly with a proper seal, that is the rule number one. Using alcohol-based sanitizer, that is rule number two. And if you're eligible, get vaccinated. As simple as that.
Seal मतलब जिसके for example N95 have seals, right? I
हाँ
don't have a mask. Yeah.
तो basically I have this surgical mask. No?
Yeah.
Like if you are wearing your surgical mask, wear like this, ताकि थोड़ा.
हाँ.
So it's like you should keep it like so that there's some tight. You feel it's tight, and when you're blowing, there's nothing coming
Right.
basically.
Right. So
So
seal
that is
seal
what.
होगा for example, and
So
cloth
this
mask they
basically
don't have a seal that way.
yeah, that is what.
Okay, and sanitize stuff also. For example, we've been sanitizing everything we've been ordering inside. वो सब भी जरूरी है या वो नहीं
So,
करना?
I mean, that is not really recommended because they found that getting infected from virus, like from the fomites as such. So, any
हाँ.
non-living thing is called fomites in medical term. So, your
Okay.
chance of getting infected from fomites is very low,
लो है मतलब है थोड़ा बहुत है.
like extremely negligible. The most important is through respiratory only. That is what we have understood right now. So it
Right.
doesn't make really sense when you do your normal washing, but मैंने देखा है कि लोग are taking vegetables and putting in hypochlorite solution and that doesn't work. I mean that is more harmful than will cause more harm than this thing being
Right.
benefit.
Right. Like for example, I had two speculations in terms of like one speculation that I had was between 10 to 20th. A couple of days I went running in the park, and the park was empty.
Park was
That is
empty.
one. That was one of my speculations कि that's how I got it. Is that a right speculation कि अगर हवा में था और कोई निकला होगा वहां से?
So that could be one possibility, or like you are seeing a flat. Where are you seeing?
Yeah.
Like घर है, flat
It's
है.
a flat.
So
It's a flat.
so somebody so in a flat and area here, there's a lot of closed environment, right? You will be going around inside the flat and all. This time, pay like if you're not worn the mask properly, and you come across somebody who is say asymptomatic carrier, so you'll be in touch because when you're in the open environment, your chance of getting COVID is comparatively low because much open. There's a lot of wind blowing and all. तो उस टाइम हल्का सा रिस्क कम रहेगा बट इफ इट्स अ क्लोज एनवायरनमेंट say ventilation उतना अच्छा नहीं है somebody who's a covid patient was in that area so the virus will be there for say couple of hours and all 4-5 hours it
हाँ.
can stay suspend the environment so that
Right.
so when you're in the say in a closed complex you walked across and your mask seal was probably not that proper so at that
Right.
time you getting is much higher as compared to going out for a run.
Going out for a run. Right. Cool. ठीक है. Sounds good. All right. Anybody has any questions? I'm almost run out of questions now. Anything else, Alvin, that you want to mention? जो लोगों को पता रखना चाहिए.
Anything? The thing is, vaccine. Some people have this doubt that once you get vaccinated, can you cause infection to others? So
हाँ.
that I told you, it's not possible. After vaccination, you cannot infect others. And there are some people about if you are like vaccination and alcohol. That is, a lot of people like, can drink alcohol after getting vaccinated. So after getting vaccination, you can have alcohol. There's no issue. कि
Yeah.
मतलब as per medical research कि alcohol doesn't interfere with the antibody and all. So
Right.
they won't like binge drink, but you can drink in moderation. उसके अलावा
Right.
like if you're in periods and all, there's no contraindication to getting vaccinated. You can always get vaccinated whether you're in periods or that is no relationship with your vaccination. And
Right.
like a lot of people have this like if you're fasting, can you get vaccinated? You can always get vaccinated even if you're fasting. So what we usually recommend is that before getting vaccinated, you can have like a light meal,
Hmm.
like a small meal 2 hours before the vaccination. Then you can go for vaccination, and then what? Like then you're supposed to take all your medications, like BP, sugar, thyroid, all medications you're supposed to take when you're getting vaccinated.
Cool. All right. I think that's pretty cool. So I think that should be useful. So I think I'll share this on my feed only, and so that people can listen it later.
Yeah.
And cool. I don't think anybody has. We're just like two more people listening right now. People have came in and left. Cool. Thanks, Alvin. I think it was useful. Maybe another day we'll do some jokes.
Sure.
So I think this is
Currently, life
pretty
is a
useful.
joke.
Huh?
Currently, life is a joke.
Life is a joke right now. That's true. That's true. All right. You also take care. Take care, Alvin. Thank you so much.
Okay, man. Thanks. Nice talking to you. Bye. Take care.
Same. Bye. एक second. How do you end this? Damn it. How do you end this? Alvin बंद कहाँ से करते हैं इसको?
I leave. Stop.
हाँ, you leave. Bye.
All right. So thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. People who joined. We are ending. This is a 45-minute live, and I think should be. Where the hell do you end this from? I've hardly been going live these days. Is there how do you end this live? Are you sure you want to end your live video? Yes.